What's going on, everybody? Polo Perp here. Today I'm bringing you the Optic One XL video review / unboxing. I'm going to also compare it to the 54 watt original Optic One LED grow light. First things first, let's unbox it. There's your information. Shout out to Optic LED grow lights and shout out to West Coast Cannabis. There's your ratchet strap to hang the light. This is massive. Good bit of weight. Bigger heat sink than the 54 watt. Of course, this is a 100 watt cob. They're both the CXB 3590 and both of them are 3500 Kelvin, which is like a warmish neutral white. This is a lot bigger than the 54 watt. A lot bigger. Like I said though, of course this is a 100 watt and this is the Optic One original is only 54 watt. Let's get it plugged in, show you guys what it can do. Super bright. Now both Optic LEDs use the same optical lens. They're both fanless and noiseless. Hardly any heat radiates out of them. All around great grow lights. Alright guys, Polo Perp, this is my Optic One XL review. Peace.